What's going on, guys? Cody from Motorcycle MD, and in this video we'll be tackling a specific job on a Honda Goldwing. This is pretty much can cover anything from the 01 up until the newest generation. The newest generation, we're not really dealing with too many rear differential issues like we're doing with this video. But there has definitely been cases on this model range where the rear differential leaks excessively. It leaks all over the rear tire, it covers the rear brake, all over the swing arm. It turns into a huge mess, as you'll see in this video. There are two specific parts in this that cause this problem. Both of them should be replaced when you're doing this type of job. And I kind of went back and forth in this video on how helpful it would be for the normal everyday Goldwing owner. You may not have a lift or have the ability to put the bike on the lift to work on it. So as usual, I would just exercise safety if you were going to be performing this job on the ground. It is doable, but it would definitely be more difficult. So I'm sure someone out there can find this video helpful. There's lots of tips and tricks in this video as usual. If you are new to the channel, welcome. We do videos on motorcycle repair and maintenance. This channel is designed for the guy who wants to work on their own bike, do it correctly, save a little bit of money, and pick up some tips and tricks along the way. As a factory trained Honda technician, I see things that I want to share with you. You can find them all throughout this channel. Motorcycle MD also offers a wide variety of help. If you need anything, in the description there are some free courses, 30+ videos on practical maintenance things that you can apply to your bike today, as well as way more in-depth videos like specific model carb courses found on motorcyclemd.com, private inner circle memberships where you can have access to private Facebook groups and speak with me, and I even offer consulting where me and you can sit down and talk about your bike specifically and try to iron out whatever problem it may have. All that can be found in the description below. Otherwise, enjoy this video as we tackle this horrific leak on this GL1800. See you guys later. Alright, so we got a couple of big problems on this bike. 2012 Goldwing. This thing's got a pretty bad leak. It's all on the tire, the rim. It's just leaking. So it's gonna be a mess, an absolute mess. I got a wicked cut on my wrist. So that should be fun with these gloves. Oh yeah. I also got a major oil leak from the fork seal. It's all over everything here. I felt it when I was pulling it in. I had no rear braking and no front braking. Completely covered in oil. The rotor, the pads, everything. So I gotta call them and let them know about that. Shift lever sticking. Okay. Gotta fix that. Lighting will be a factor with this video, but oh, that's loose. One of those were loose.
We're probably looking somewhere in the neighborhood.
Oh, Christ. I hate these things. I don't know if they work or not, don't ask. F. We gotta come back more. Oh yeah! Where are my lug nuts?
Fixed me a failed hot soup last night.
Soup?
Hamburger vegetable soup.
That doesn't sound very appetizing. Hamburger soup?
Stewed tomatoes, Italian stewed tomatoes, beef broth, vegetables.
Oh, come on.
A little potato.
Oh, God. Here we go.
Garlic.
Usually, what leaks on these is a seal. It's this big. big old seal. And it's behind the brake disc and the drive pinion. So we gotta get this off and the brake rotor off. I'm trying to get some of this oil cleaned up. Doesn't seem like it's on the brake pads. There is a film. Yeah, it's on the brake pads. Yeah. This is gonna get expensive. Alright, let's go ahead and get this caliper off. 14 millimeter up here, 14 down here. Just 2 bolts. I almost want to just get this thing out of my way. Let's do that.
Nothing else. When I go.
Now we can see a little bit. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Now we need to get the Phillips head screws here and here. Nice, number 3 Phillips. Manual impact driver. It's hard to get a swing on this thing. Grab me a lower chair. Alright. Let's see if we can get lucky. There's one. Shifting to neutral. Let's grab this one. Come on, baby. Oh, yeah. Whew, it's a core workout. Rotor's free. And usually, this is where it's leaking from. Usually leaks right down into here in the wheel, throw it. But, now we have to break these 2 loose. Let's see if we can get lucky again. Oh, yeah. 3 for 3, 3 for 3. Spin. Put in the gear. Yes. There we go. Let's pry evenly from both sides. There we go. Okay. Get crud and grit all in there. There's our little ring, and it spins in the seal. So the seal is susceptible to getting wear on it and then leaking out from underneath it. Decided what I am going to do is take this right exhaust off. I can't really clean a differential that well with it on there, and it's everywhere. Make our job easier, make the customer happier. I'm gonna hit it with some Wurth Eco Super Spray All.
One hour later.
Got a cleaner. This is good. A lot better. Now we can track the flow if it does leak again or something like that. It is all over the brake pads of this rear brake, and I'm not cool with that. Even though these pads look brand new, I'm not sending them out with oily brake pads. I'm going to build up on that. We don't want that, so we gotta clean this whole caliper up as well. All this just takes a lot of time. The rotor down there is gonna be cleaned up too, because it's just unsafe. Let's get that new seal in, get this caliper clean. This seal that I'm showing here is definitely one that you're going to want to replace with the main seal that we're replacing. This is like a large O-ring that goes around that inner hub section. While you're there, you definitely want to replace this as well. Now this main seal is probably the trickier of the bunch. It's as soon as you start pushing in one side, the other side starts popping out. There may be a special tool for this. I haven't seen it, but I've come up with a technique that does work. The main thing is just trying to keep this thing nice and flush against where you end up with the seal. So I kind of hold one side of it in over here lightly so that I can work on the other side and kind of coerce it into where it's going to live. Just got to make sure that it's nice and even. You'll see how I check that with my finger, just keeping the leveling surfaces how they need to be. Okay, now I got the spacer and a large washer holding that side in. Start working on this side. You'll probably notice just from the sounds, it does not take a lot to get the seal in. We're not trying to pound this thing into submission. It generally goes in pretty easily. Just be careful with it, take your time. And a general rule of thumb for just about any seal is the face of the seal that you're kind of staring at, you want that to be on the same plane as whatever you're putting it into. So level surface is what you're trying to achieve, and that's pretty much the same with a lot of seals unless it's stated otherwise. Put a little blue Loctite on this. Ow! Ow. Done. Newton meters. These back ones get 32. This one will get 45 as well. Put the wheel on, put the exhaust on, test drive. Add oil, obviously.